Today we're making chicken udon noodles, a fast, clean, weeknight stir-fry that comes together with simple prep and smooth technique. Thick, chewy udon noodles paired with tender chicken and aromatics make this dish comforting, delicate, and incredibly satisfying. Welcome back. This dish is built for speed. Once your prep is done, everything cooks in just a few minutes. It's a great confidence builder if you're learning noodle dishes or want something reliable for busy nights. Udon noodles trace back to ancient China during the Heian era, where they were known as huntun. A traveling monk later brought them to Japan, where they were served at rituals and court ceremonies before becoming part of everyday cooking. Over time, different styles of udon emerged, each with its own texture, preparation, and flavor profile. Let's start with our mise en place. This dish moves quickly once the wok is hot, so having everything prepped and portioned is essential. Slice your chicken, prep your vegetables, and get your aromatics ready. Clean prep equals clean cooking. Here's what we're working with: thick udon noodles, cubed chicken breast, sliced onion, minced garlic and ginger, pine nuts, green onions, and your sauce components. Simple ingredients, strong flavor. Keep your cuts consistent so everything cooks evenly. Fresh udon noodles come tightly packed in a clump. They're delicate, so take a moment to separate them before cooking. Run them under cold water and gently loosen the block with your fingers. This prevents sticking and helps them stir-fry smoothly. Start by adding a bit of oil to a medium heat wok. Add the udon noodles and gently stir-fry. Let them cook for a few minutes, moving them lightly so they don't stick. Once they're warmed through and slightly softened, remove them and set aside. Add oil back to the wok and bring it to medium heat. Add the ginger and garlic. Let them bloom until fragrant. Add the chicken and stir to coat it in the aromatics. Let it cook for a minute or two, stirring occasionally. Add the sliced onion and half the green onions. Keep everything moving until the chicken is cooked through. This is where everything comes together fast. Your chicken, onions, ginger, and garlic are ready and waiting. Return the noodles to the wok and gently toss to combine. Remember, udon is delicate. Add the pine nuts and stir to blend. The dish becomes aromatic, smooth, and lightly glossy. That's exactly what you want. Take your time so the pine nuts can get warmed up and the noodles can absorb the flavors. A few extra seconds to stir will enhance the texture and bring all the flavors together beautifully. Serve the noodles on their own as the main star, or pair them with grilled vegetables for a balanced plate. Keep the presentation clean. The dish already has great natural color and texture. With a few small additions, you could turn this into a teriyaki chicken udon soup, or keep the original style and build a classic udon chicken soup. This base recipe is flexible and easy to adapt. Enjoy your chicken udon noodles, a simple, comforting dish that's perfect for any night of the week. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out some of our other recipes at Wild Taste Infusion Elite.